Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios in intermediate first year mathematics 1A. In this, the first video of 4 marks question completed. This is the second video in short answer type question, 4 marks question. Let us have a discussion the first question in this session. See here, the first question. If a is not an integral multiple of pi, prove that cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a equal to sin 16a by 16 sin a, and hence deduce that cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15 and into cos 16 pi by 15 equal to 1 by 16. In these two questions are there. One is we have to prove cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a equal to sin 16a by 16 sin a. That is the first question. After that, they are asking to prove cos 2a by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15 and cos 16 pi by 15 equal to 1 by 16. So here, consider here LHS. This is the value of LHS. So in that solution, consider LHS cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. But they are asking the result in terms of sin. No? So for this LHS, we have to multiply and dividing by 2 sin A. For this LHS, multiplying and dividing by 2 sin A. 2 sin A as usual, as it is, you have to write it. Cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. So multiplying by 2 sin A and dividing by sin 2A. Sorry, sin 2 sin A. We know that 2 sin A into cos A equal to sin 2A. We know the formula. So here 2 sin A cos A. This value goes to be sin 2A. So it will become sin 2A into cos 2A cos 4A into cos 8A divided by 2 sin A is there. After that, again what we have to do is multiplying and dividing by 2. So again 2 sin 2A cos 2A. So double angles here. 2 sin 2A into cos 2A. Here A is there means double we are getting here sin 2A. Similarly 2 sin 2A cos 2A means sin 4A will come. Sin 2 times of 2A. So it will becomes 2 sin 2A cos 2A is cos 4A, sorry, sin 4A into cos 4A into cos 8A 2 to the 4 sin A. Again multiplying and dividing by 2 to get the formula form 2 sin 4A into cos 4A. 2 sin 4A into cos 4A equal to sin 8A. So which is equal to, in place of 2 sin 4A cos 4A, sin 8A into cos 8A divided by 4 to the 8 into sin A. Again what we have to do? Again multiplying and dividing by 2 to get the formula form 2 sin 8A cos 8A. 2 sin 8A cos 8A is the formula for sin 16A, double angles. So which is equal to sin 16A divided by 8 into 2 16 into sin A. That's what they are asking to prove now. This is required RHS. They are asking to prove that. So we got that RHS value. So therefore, cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. After getting up this step, I'll rub this board and I'll write the case definitely. Yeah. After getting up this proof, they are asking to prove cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15. Put A equal to 2 pi by 15 in the above result. In the above result. Wherever A is there, 2 pi by 15. So it will becomes therefore cos 2 pi by 15 into here 2A, 2 times of 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 2 times 4 times of A, that means 8 pi by 15 into cos 8A, 8 times of 2 pi by 15, 16 pi by 15 is equal to, this result only they are asking to prove as 1 by 16. So wherever in RHS also A is there, you have to replace with 2 pi by 15. So sin of 16 into 2 pi by 15 whole divided by 16 times of sin 2 pi by 15. Observe carefully this step only. 16 times of 2 pi by 15 means 32 pi by 15. Which is equal to sin 32 pi by 15 divided by 16 times of sin 2 pi by 15. Observe carefully, 32 divided by 15 is there. So how many times is going to divide 32? 15 2s are 30. So we can write it as 32 can be written as 15 2s are 30 is 2 is the remaining now. So we can write it as 32 by 15 can be written as 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15. Is it possible to write or not? This is the turning step. You can write like this. 32 pi by 15 can be written as 2 pi plus 15 by 2 pi by 15. 15 2 pi is 30 pi. 30 pi plus 2 pi. 32 pi. Anyway, it is equal to this one. So after that, this step will becomes sin of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15 whole divided by 16 times of sin of 2 pi by 15. Sin of 2 pi plus theta. We have formula. Sin of 2 pi plus theta sin theta. Why? Because 2 pi plus theta. From here to here it is pi. From here to here it is 2 pi. 2 pi plus theta means it will be belongs to first quadrant. So now it is first quadrant means sin is positive. So sin of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. It will becomes sin 2 pi by 15 divided by 16 times of sin 2 pi by 15. So sin 2 pi by 15, sin 2 pi by 15 get cancelled. We will get 1 by 16. Therefore, conclusion step, cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. Hence proved. This is the way you have to do that slowly. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you, students. Yeah. Next question, dear students. For A belongs to R, prove that sin A into sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3A. And deduce that Sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 60 into sin 80 equal to 3 pi by 3 by 16. Whatever I am discussing here, which is very useful to competitive exams related to mathematics in trigonometry. It will help you whether it is JEE Mains or MSET or BITSET or any competitive exams related to mathematics. 100% it will be very useful to the students. You now consider the LHS of this question. Consider LHS. What is LHS in this? Sin A into sin of 60 plus A into sin of 60 minus A, which is equal to sin A, and keep bracket for these two, sin 60 plus A into sin 60 minus A. So we know that formula, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B. We have formula. So this bracket value is in the form of sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So sin A, sin square A, in place of A 60 is there. So sin square 60 degrees minus sin square, in place of B A is there. Sin square A. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. So sin A into root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square A. Root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4 only, no? So sin A 3 by 4 minus sin square A. Now take LCM and simplify. Sin A into 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 4 sin square A. So actual multiplication you have to do that. Each and every term of numerator multiplying by sin A, and it will becomes 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A divided by 4. By observing, the numerator is the formula for sin 3a. Sin 3a means 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. We have formula. Sin 3a formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So numerator value will become sin 3a divided by 4. This is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion step. Sin A into sin of 60 plus A into sin of 60 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3A. Hence proved. Till here half of the problem is over. But they are asking from there, from this condition, sin 20, sin 40, sin 60 into sin 80 equal to 3 by 16. They are asking to prove that. See here. In this result, consider sin 20, sin 40, sin 60 into sin 80. Now, except sin 60, see here, sin 20, sin 40 can be written as sin 60 minus 20. Is it possible to write? Sin 80 can be written as sin 60 plus 20 into sin 60. Everyone understand that? This bracket value is in the form of sin A, sin 60 plus A, sin 60 minus A. By comparing these values, A value should be equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, this will becomes 1 by 4 times of sin 3a. Sin a into 3 into a. A value is what here? 20 degrees. Into sin 60. So which is equal to 1 by 4 sin 60 into sin 60. So sin square 60. So 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So which is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4 into 2 into 2, 16. Therefore, they are asking to prove this result. We got it. So sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 60 into sin 80 is equal to 3 by 16. Hence proved. Similarly, cos also we are going to do that in the next problem. The next question. For a belongs to R, prove that cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3A, and hence deduce that cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9. It is not new one. Pi by 9 means what? Pi means 180. 180 by 9. It is 20 degrees only. Like previous problem in terms of degrees, now it is given in terms of radians. Now consider LHS for the given problem. Cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A. So which is equal to cos A into cos of 60 plus A into cos of 60 minus A. We know the formula. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. You remember that this is very important formula. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Where A is equal to 60, B is equal to A here. So cos A into cos squared 60 degrees minus sin squared, in place of B, A is there. So sin squared A. Cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos A into 1 by 2 whole square minus sin square A. Sin square also in terms of, but they are asking to prove RHS in terms of cos, is there? No. So you can write it as cos A into 1 by 4 minus, keep bracket, sin square A in terms of cos, 1 minus cos square A. So which is equal to cos A into 1 by 4 minus 1 plus cos square A. Take LCM and simplify. Cos A into 4 is the LCM. 1 minus 4 plus 4 cos square A, which is equal to cos A into minus 3 plus 4 cos square A divided by 4. Each and every term of numerator multiplying by cos A, and first you write positive term. So it will becomes 4 cos square A into cos A is 4 cos cube A. Minus 3 into cos A is minus 3 cos A divided by 4. We know that the formula for cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A is the formula for cos 3A. So numerator value will becomes 1 by 4 into cos 3A. This is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion step, cos A cos of 60 plus A into cos of 60 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Till here we got it. After that, what we have to do? Consider LHS of the required. Now consider second part. Consider cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9. That result we have to prove as 1 by 16. So what is pi by 9? Pi by 9 means what? 20 degrees. Pi equal to pi by 9. Pi means what? 180 by 9, which is equal to 20 degrees only. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So indirectly wherever pi by 9 is there, 20 degrees you have to write it. So it will become cos 20. 2 times of pi by 9, that means cos 40 into cos 3 times of 20, 60 into cos 4 times of 20, 80. Again this can be written as, except cos 60, you can write it as cos 20, cos 40 into cos 80 into cos 60. Write in the order accordingly. Cos 20, cos 80 can be written as cos of 60 plus 20 into cos of 60 minus 20. Cos 40 can be written as, cos 40 can be written as, cos 80 can be written as, into cos 60. This bracket value is in the form of cos A, cos of 60 plus A, cos of 60 minus A. When compare this bracket value with this result, this is equal to 1 by 4 times of cos 3A. So cos 3 into A value is what here? 20 degrees. So 20 degrees into cos 60. So which is equal to 1 by 4 cos 60 into cos 60. So which is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into 2 into 2 is 1 by 16. Therefore, cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9 is equal to 1 by 16. Hence the result, or hence proved. After that, tan also we are going to discuss. The next question. If 3a is not an odd multiple of pi by 2, prove that tan a into tan 60 plus a into tan 60 minus a equal to tan 3a, and hence find the value of tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees and into tan 78 degrees. So here in previous questions we discussed that the relation between sine and cos. So to solve this question we need to take the help of that results. We know that, or we know that sine a into sine of 60 plus a into sine of 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 into sine 3a. You keep as equation number 1. And also in terms of cos, cos a, cos of 60 plus a into cos of 60 minus a is also equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Equation number 2. After that, to get the result tan, sine by cos only, no. So equation 1 divided by equation 2 from LHS as well as RHS. Now sine a into sine of 60 plus a into sine of 60 minus a divided by cos a cos of 60 plus a into cos of 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3a divided by 1 by 4 into cos 3a. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4 get cancelled. Sin a by cos a, which is equal to tan a. Sin 60 plus a by cos 60 plus a, tan 60 plus a. Sin 60 minus a by cos 60 minus a, tan 60 minus a, which is equal to sin 3a by cos 3a is tan 3a. We got the result now. They are asking to prove tan 3a. We got it. Hence proved. After that, they are asking to prove this result also. Tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, sin 66 degrees and tan 78 degrees. You put as result number 3, it is put A equal to 6 degrees in this 6 degrees in this result, in the above result, we get tan 6 degrees into tan of 60 plus 6 degrees into tan of 60 minus 6 degrees is equal to tan of 3 into 6 degrees. So if we simplify, tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 54 degrees is equal to tan 3 into 6 degrees, tan 80 degrees. You put the result as number 4. Similarly, in place of A, 18 degrees you have to take it. Put A is equal to 18 degrees in the above result. In the equation 3, better to take in the equation 3. Even here also in the above result means equation 3. So tan 18 degrees into tan 60 plus 18 degrees into tan 60 minus 18 degrees is equal to tan 3 into 18 degrees. So if you simplify, tan 18 degrees into tan 78 degrees into tan 60 minus 18, 42 degrees is equal to 18 3 is 54. So tan 54 degrees. You put that equation number 5. They are asking to prove some other result. So to get that result, what we have to do is multiplying equation 4 and equation 5. Multiply equation 4 and 5. So you have to multiply these two, LHS as well as RHS. So observe carefully. Tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 54 degrees. This side multiply. Next, into this value also. Tan 18, tan 78 into tan 42 is equal to, this side we are multiplying, tan 18 into tan 54. This is LHS, this is RHS. So on both sides, same terms you have to cancel it. Tan 18 will be cancelled. Tan 54 also cancelled. Therefore, the rest of the terms, tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees into tan 42 degrees. This RHS no value is there, means it is equal to 1. Write in the order. Therefore, tan 6 degrees, after that tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to 1. They are asking to find this value. Therefore, the value of tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to 1. Hence the result. This is the required result. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you in this. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra.